Before diving into the details of the 6V 600 mAh DC power supply, replacement Breg Part 10698, Kodiak power cord, ice machine power cord, and polar replacement transformer cable, it's important to note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This ensures you get the best deal available while upgrading your equipment. This replacement power supply is designed specifically for devices requiring a 6V DC output at 600 mAh, making it an ideal choice for various ice machines and related appliances. Its compatibility with models such as HON-KWANG D0660 HK, HONKWANG D0660 00660, and 10698 ensures that users can easily find a reliable replacement without worrying about fit or performance issues. The transformer operates on an input of AC 100-120V and outputs a steady DC 6V at 600 mAh, which is perfect for maintaining consistent power delivery. One of the standout features is the 5.9-foot cord, which offers ample length for flexible placement and ease of use. Additionally, the power adapter is UL and RoHS certified, meaning it meets strict safety and environmental standards, and it even exceeds OEM specifications, giving extra assurance of quality and durability. However, potential buyers should be aware that this unit is designed for 110V only and will require an international voltage adapter if used outside of the Americas. It is also important to note that this replacement does not fit older model 300 and 500 units or the V-Pulse unit, so verifying compatibility before purchase is crucial. Pros of this product include its wide compatibility with popular ice machine models, safety certifications, long power cord, and reliable power output that exceeds OEM standards. On the downside, the voltage limitation restricts its use internationally without additional adapters, and it is not suitable for certain older or specialized units. Overall, this 6V 600 mAh DC power supply replacement is a solid choice for anyone needing a dependable and certified replacement power cord for their ice machine or similar appliance. Remember, the link to buy this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check there to secure your purchase.